Hello everyone and welcome back to online classes Standard 8 Subject English Section Grammar Unit 9 Topic Preposition. Let us solve the exercise and write the answers. Let's begin. Preposition. Preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun and they show the relationship between them and other words in a sentence. There are more than 100 prepositions in the English language. We need to remember that prepositions usually convey concepts such as comparison, direction, place, purpose, source, possession, time. Example: I prefer to read in the library. B. He climbed up the ladder. C. He swam across the pool. D. Take your brother with you. E. I am fond of music. Types of preposition. There are broadly three types of preposition. Time, before, after, during. Place, around, between, against. Direction, across, up, down. List of preposition. While there are around 150 prepositions in English language, these words are among the most important ones. Let us study them. The following is a list of most common used prepositions: above, before, beyond, inside, on, toward, without, across, behind, by, into, out, under, underneath, around, beneath, for, near, over, until, with, among, beside, from, of, through, up, beyond, at, between, in, of, to, within, like, etc. Now let us study the uses of this preposition in detail. At, in, on. At is used with name of small towns and villages, while in is used with big cities and countries. Example: he lives at Bandra in Mumbai. Example second: we shall leave at 4 o'clock in the morning. C. He came to school on Monday. Second, in, on to. In denotes rest while into denotes motion. On, upon. On is used for a thing at rest while upon generally denotes motion. Fourth one, in, within, before. In marks the end of a period. Within denotes before expiry of time. Before is used for a point of time. Fifth, after, in. After marks the end of a certain period in the past, while in stands for the end of a period in future. After, behind. After refers to a time, while behind refers to a place. I is used to denote the agent of action in the passive voice and which denotes the instrument used for the action. 8 point, by, with. By is used in a sense beside, alone, in respect of, not later than, and according to. With is used to show in spite of and at certain times. By, till. By stands for not later than, while till means up to. Since, for, from. Since is used for a point of time, while for is used for a period of time and from is used for a point of time. Between, among. Between is used with 2%, among is used with a bigger number. Beside and beside. Beside denotes by the side of, while beside means in addition to. About denotes nearness. Against shows in opposition to something or someone. Along means by the side of. Across denotes from one side to the other. 17th and the last point, above shows in a higher position. Prepositions are used to complete phrases. Faith in, exception to, control over, complaint against, limit to, hope of, affection for, etc. Now let us jump on to the exercise and solve it. Question number 1, fill in the blank with appropriate prepositions. First one, we are going on vacation dash the month of August. In. Second, please put the vase dash the table on. Third, I received a present dash my brother from. Fourth, school begins dash Monday. School begins on Monday. School begins from Monday. Fifth, my birthday is dash 8th October on. Sixth, I haven't seen you dash ages. Answer, I have seen you since ages. I have seen you for ages. 7th, I like the house dash the river beside. 8th, I went to Paris dash plane by. 9th, they are talking dash the bridge on. 10, I'll see you dash Christmas party at. 11, let us divide the money dash us between. 12, who is knocking dash the door at. 13, I'll finish this work dash an hour within. 14, his method is different dash yours. From advising me, he gave me money as well as food. Besides. Number 2, underline the preposition in the following sentences. First one, I cannot live without my best friends. Without. Second, the first of them was inhabited by a king. By. Third, the scorer ball rolled behind the couch. Behind. Fourth, my birthday gift from my sister last year was the best. From. Fifth, the boy ran between the bushes to escape. Between. Sixth, Bruce cried during the movie. During. 7th, the symphony was composed by Mozart. By. 8th, we walked up the stairs. Up. 9th, the car traveled at a high speed. At. 10, during lunch we had a basketball tournament. During. 11th, they are expected to tell us something about the moon. About. 12, the large canopy over our heads provided ample space. Over. 13 point, the author name was printed below the title. Below. 14, the men started quarreling among themselves. Amongst one, the child ran towards his mother. Towards. In this manner we have completed this topic preposition, and our next topic will be conjunctions.